Hey guys, just taking a quick break to tell you about some super exciting news. I've hinted about it in past videos, but here it is. I'm currently standing in the brand new Little King Goods YouTube Leathercraft studio. Pretty cool, right? During the last 5 months, I've been building this 720 square foot studio that will be the future home of Little King Goods. There is still a ton of work to do, but I am super excited for it to be finished, and more on that in a future video. I just wanted to pause and thank each and every one of you for supporting this channel. Whether you like it, subscribe to it, share it, thank you so much. Also, without a sponsor, these videos would be super hard to do, and I wanted to thank this video sponsor, Audible. To be honest, I'm not much of a reader, and with a full-time leathercraft brand, YouTube, and building a brand new studio, I rarely have time to sit down and open a book. Fortunately, audiobooks allow me to listen while I work. Audible has the largest unbeatable selection of audiobooks on the entire internet. One audiobook that has literally changed my life is called Garden City by John Mark Comer. While I was going through some career uncertainty 3 years ago, I was contemplating whether to dive into leathercraft full time. During that time, I came across the audiobook Garden City. It's all about what you were born to do and how to go about doing it. John Mark Comer knocked it out of the park with Garden City. The great thing about the Garden City audiobook is that it was read by the author, so you can really feel the mood, the tone, everything that the author was trying to convey to the audience. With Audible, you can choose 3 titles every month. 1 audiobook of your choice, and 2 Audible originals that you cannot get anywhere else. Right now, for a limited time, you can get 3 months of Audible for $6.95 per month. That's more than half off the regular price. Visit www.audible.com/LittleKingGoods or text Little King Goods to 500-500 and start your subscription today. Think about giving yourself or a loved one the gift of listening this season. It's the perfect gift. Text Little King Goods to 500-500 or visit www.audible.com/LittleKingGoods and start that subscription today. Now let's get back to the watch strap build, and we'll see you in the new shop very soon.